3 reasons why you should do FBM all year around. In today's video, I'm going to actually not give you 3 reasons, but I'm going to give you a 4th bonus reason at the end of this video, which is going to be the most important of the 4. Okay, before we actually get into it, there's a link in the description for a free course on sourcing. It's a free ebook that will teach you how I am able to source every single day consistently profitable leads for my online arbitrage business. So if you want to learn that, link in the description, and let's start. Okay, so the first reason why you should consider doing FBM all year round is because it's a first step towards expanding your e-commerce empire. Okay, I'm not talking about your e-commerce empire, I'm talking about expanding to other platform and not just staying on Amazon. Okay, because things can happen and it's good to diversify, right? And the process when you actually sell on multiple platforms, when you actually prep your inventory and ship your inventory, it's going to be the exact same. So why not actually start selling on other platforms? And if you are on Amazon, I believe that you should at least be selling on eBay to sell your returns and all the stuff that, you know, that you cannot necessarily resell on Amazon because the tag is missing, stuff that has been tried, that like if you do clothing that has been tried and that is not in the packaging anymore, any product that is not on the packaging anymore. So you should at least do that, but it's a first step, and at the end of the day, you know, you can pretty much outsource the listing process, the process of your inventory. And quite often, actually, if you sell stuff on Amazon, you can sell the exact same product on eBay, sometimes for more profit, especially if you do retail arbitrage, by the way. So and even higher selling price. So what I would do if I were you, no price tanking, create an eBay account and start cross-listing, start doing FBM, start selling on eBay as well. And the only thing that you will need to do is, you know, it's going to be a couple of sales a day. And you just need to to prep the inventory at the same time. And you just need to have, by the way, an inventory storage system. I'll make a video as soon as I go back in the US to show you my inventory storage system. But you just need to prep that and prepare your orders and drop all your orders at once. Pretty much the same process. So you should actually start doing FBM because it's going to add on top of what you are already selling. But it is not the only reason. The second reason why you should actually consider doing FBM is because you are going to make more profit on a lot of listings. Okay, and there's a couple of reasons why. But the first reason why you're going to make more profit is because you are not going to pay Amazon fees. And on a lot of products, not all products, but on of course, you're still going to pay Amazon fees, but there's a lot of fees that you're not going to pay, right? Such as the pick and pack fee, all those fees. Now, on a lot of products, it will not happen on every single product, but there's a lot of products that will be more profitable even when you actually count the shipping that you're going to need to pay out of your pocket. Okay, you're going to be able to make more profit on those items. And so more profit, more money into your pocket, your business is going to grow faster. Okay, so for that reason, start doing FBM because your business is going to grow faster, you're going to make more profit, and the more money you make, the happier you will be. Okay, number 3, and this is one of the biggest reason why you should do FBM, especially if you are just starting with this business and you want to grow your business fast. Okay, it's because you're going to have a faster inventory turnover. What is happening when you sell stuff FBA is that you actually need to receive your inventory or get your inventory, buy your inventory, receive it, check your inventory, prep your inventory, and send it to Amazon FBA. Okay, so take 1 day to prep your inventory, a couple of days, if you do online arbitrage, a couple of days to actually receive your inventory. But it will be the same thing if you actually do FBM with online arbitrage. But whatever. You will need to prep your inventory, send it to FBA, and wait for that inventory to check in before it becomes available for sale. The great thing with FBM is that, and also contrary to other platforms, you do not need to create a listing. So you can just actually list your product on an existing listing, and it will become available straight away. So instead of waiting 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes 1 month. If you are on the East Coast and there's some stuff that you need to send to the West Coast, it happens to me in my early days. Now it does not happen anymore because I ship bigger shipment, but sometimes it takes a long time, okay? And it will take you 1 month, 2 weeks to 1 month more time for your items to actually become available for sale on Amazon if you do FBA. If you do FBM, you have the products in your hands right now. There's no work that is required to prep the item. And there's nothing that there's no wait time. You can get the product. If I want to sell this on Amazon today, it's an empty water bottle. Do not sell empty water bottle on Amazon, but who knows? Maybe you can make money with that. If you want to sell that on Amazon, you want to sell it FBM, yes, you can basically get it available for sale right now. No need to wait, okay? I just take my phone, I scan it, I list it. 20 seconds, it's available for sale, okay? So that's a big plus for FBM, and it's going to speed up your cash flow cycle. So instead of waiting 60 days to get your money back after your investment, you can potentially wait 3 weeks to get your money back after your investment, okay? Because it still takes some time for Amazon to actually disperse your money, right? But easy way to speed up your cash flow cycle, and speeding up your cash flow cycle is going to help you grow your business faster, okay? Last one, bonus point, okay? And I talked a tiny bit about it. This is the fourth thing, the fourth reason why you should do more FBM is because on a lot of listings, if you use some strategies, you can actually get way less competition, okay? Of course, not the listings on which, there's FBA sellers, while it could be beneficial because it's easier for you to restock. You don't have to have a huge, and it could have been another point in this video is that it makes the logistic easier. The only thing is that you need to stock the products, but whenever you need to restock, you don't need to plan in advance, and you are not, once again, dependent on Amazon logistics and the time that it takes for them to check in your products, right? You can have, if you see that you are running out of stock, you can literally go in store, buy the products, okay, and get some more available, like right now, right? Add to your quantity. But the truth is that if you do certain things, you can have way less competition on your products, okay? Such as selling meltable products, okay? Selling hazmat products, and same thing during Q4, whenever restock limits hit the maximum, whenever people are not able to sell in stock because it takes too long for the product to actually check in, you can actually take advantage of that yourself and start selling this stuff FBM when there's less competition. Okay, so everything that people cannot send FBA because of demand or because of the nature of the products, such as hazmat products or meltable products, you can make money with that doing FBM, okay? There's going to be way less competition because people doing online arbitrage from outside of the country will not be able to sell these products. And, since they are not able to sell this product, the pool of people you are competing with is going to be way smaller than if you were to do online arbitrage, and if you were to do it FBA, because if you do FBA online arbitrage, everybody in the world can actually compete with you. So if you actually want to learn how to find these products with less competition, I have another video right there that talks a little bit more about FBM. Watch it, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.